Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Your PSN connection might fail due to a simple server outage, so let's start with the quickest check. Always look up the official PlayStation Network status first. It genuinely saves you a lot of time and effort. This quick server status check instantly confirms if the problem is with Sony's servers or if the issue might be on your end. If it's on their end, just relax and wait for them to fix it. A simple router and modem restart often resolves many common connectivity issues. Power cycling your network devices clears out any temporary glitches and ensures a fresh, clean connection to the internet. Remember to wait at least 60 seconds after unplugging both your router and modem before powering them back on. This small step can surprisingly fix your PSN connection surprisingly quickly and effectively. Sometimes the issue lies within your console's network configuration, so try setting up your connection on the PS5 again. If you can, choose a wired Ethernet connection. It offers far better stability and speed than Wi-Fi. Additionally, consider using custom DNS servers, like Google's 8.8.8.8, which can often improve connection reliability and even speed. An outdated PlayStation 5 system software can absolutely cause unexpected network instability, leading to those frustrating PSN errors. Always make sure your console is running the latest version, as new updates frequently include crucial fixes for known connectivity bugs and overall system improvements. You should regularly check for these essential updates directly within your PS5 system settings menu to keep everything running smoothly and reliably. If the basic steps haven't worked, try restoring your PlayStation 5 licenses through the system settings. This can resolve issues with content access. Another powerful step is rebuilding the database in safe mode, which can fix deeper system issues without deleting your games. If the problem still persists after all these efforts, it's definitely time to contact PlayStation support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.